As a vehicle owner, maintenance comes down to three things: safety, reliability, and performance. We are recommending the BG Driveline Service to improve the reliability and performance of your vehicle. Much like leaves and debris clogging your rain gutter, contaminants can deteriorate your vehicle's gear, lubricant, and cause problems with your driveline. Without proper maintenance, you will experience a loss of power, slow acceleration, and eventually a chattering gear noise requiring an expensive repair. The BG Driveline Service removes old contaminated lubricant and replaces it with high-quality gear lubricant, which provides superior heat and anti-wear pro protection. This service is backed by the lifetime BG Protection Plan at no additional charge and covers up to $4,000 in service-related repairs. Be good to your car. Choose to perform the BG Driveline Service today.